Hi, everyone. Meteorologist Matt Scott. On this Wednesday, we've got already sunshine out there again. That's allowing temperatures to warm up nicely. We thought the clouds would hang out at least till lunchtime, but they came in, they got out of the way earlier, as you can see, and so the number is already bubbling up to the low to mid 60s, a couple degrees above what we anticipated. Nothing to worry about, although a little wind out of the northwest will take just a tiny bite out of that temperature throughout the afternoon. Tonight we are clear, and that means the temperatures will drop down again. Maybe a few clouds out there, but that won't stop the temperature drop to the low 30s inland. Mid to upper 30s at the shore. Tomorrow, Veterans Day, start with sun. We're going to add the clouds, and then tomorrow night rain comes in, and a lot of rain by Friday morning. Could be some potent thunderstorms pushing on through into the afternoon and early afternoon period. By Friday night, we are dry. Temperatures today, low to mid 60s. Tonight, we're down to the low to upper 30s with more cold temperatures coming in. Look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, hovering around 50 for a high.